Got nothing trying to find new ways to make more money as a freelancer? I have a few ideas to share. Hi, it's Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab. To make more money as a freelancer, you'll have to put on your sales and marketing hat. In this video, I want to give you a few ideas on how you can make more without really doing much more. Brand yourself and your services. You can command a higher price when you have a brand. It makes you stand out. And a brand is many things. It's your logo, company colors, your slogan, the processes you use in your business, your social media presence, YouTube videos. Everything has to be consistent throughout. And of course, you, because you bring the secret sauce to all of the above. Be memorable for one thing. That could be quick turnaround in your business, making technical manuals easy to read, something that is unique to how you do business. And a brand enhances your credibility. It makes you look more professional. And it also helps to build your reputation in the industry. Blogging. Be known as an educator. Add valuable info that prospects and clients can use. When you do this, visitors are more likely to come back over and over again to your website because they can find the answers they're looking for. It's a way to show that you know your stuff. So you're building a relationship with your visitors, giving them an idea of your personality and what it might be like to work with you. And posting relevant content regularly can improve your site's ranking in search engines. The search engines will crawl your site whenever you publish something new, and when it relates to a question that your audience, your target audience might have, then your content is more likely to be found by these people. Do more for existing clients. Don't assume that your clients know everything that you can do for them. They've probably hired you for a particular job and they've come back for more of the same, for example, translation work, and you've told them what else that you can do for them, but that's gone in one ear and out the other. Market regularly to them. Have a newsletter, send that out regularly. Email marketing, let them know what else that you can do. Maybe meet with them on a quarterly basis to find out what's new in their business and what else it is that you're doing that might solve any particular problems they're having with their expansion, for example. And develop new products. That's another avenue for you to market to them and also have a product that you can resell over and over without additional work. These are just highlights. To read the full post on my blog, click the link in the description below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget, you can see the full post on freedomlab.biz along with other free resources. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below to get the latest news and updates. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures, I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.